Guys, don't be smarting. Hold up. I'm gonna play the rest of the clip for us to take a look at the rest of the moments Davido had at a family friend burial. Davido have gotten a lot of people talking the way Davido greeted everyone. Man, no be smarting, no. See the way Davido they prostrate, Davido they bow, they greet everybody. Like David have this so much respect. Or top all the money where Davido get. This is a private jet owner. Davido recently bought a private jet, but look at the kind of respect Davido have for the elders. Look at the way Davido they bow, they greet everybody. This have got a lot of people talking. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the moment Davido had, and congratulations to David on his new private jet. Let me know your opinions on what you guys have to say about this. Let me know your thoughts via the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit the bell notification button to always get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I remain your favorite, Big Vicky. I'm out.
Everywhere I drop inside. Let's switch this. Follow inside. Everywhere I drop inside. Everywhere I drop inside.